Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a new account with Ticketmaster. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so I'm assuming you've already got the Ticketmaster app downloaded and installed on your device from either your Play or App Store. Now from that, it's time to open it up. So go ahead and open up Ticketmaster. And now from here, you'll be greeted by this page here. So you want to go ahead and click on next, 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 and then click on sign in and create account. Now this is going to take you to the account creation page, so give this a few moments to load. And now from here it will say sign in, but we need to make a new account. So it says new to Ticketmaster, click on the blue sign up button. And now from here we need to put in your email, password, first name, last name, country of residence, and zip postal code. So I'll go ahead and fill this out. And now from here, scroll down, and we've got an option here that says here about what's coming up, including news, exclusive pre-sales, etc. So you can go ahead and tick that if you like, or if not, just leave that unchecked. And then from there, go ahead and click onto the blue next button. And then once you've done that, you'll be brought to this page here. So we need to go ahead and verify your account. So there's a few different ways to do this. So as it states here, to keep your account secure, we need to verify both your email and phone. So we need to add in my phone. So go ahead and click on add my phone. And now choose your country of residence and your phone number. And then click on I consent to receive notifications. Go ahead and click on add number. I've already done this in the past, so I can't reuse my number. And now verify your email. So we need to go ahead and click on verify my email. And now what that's going to do is going to open up a little thing. And from here, go to your email address and put in your one-time code, and then go ahead and click on confirm code. And once you've done that, you've successfully created a Ticketmaster account.